Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Pokemaster Pook. We're back again today. It's day 191 now of opening up 2 packs of Pokemon cards till we hit 2,000 subscribers, guys. We got some more bingo again today, and today we could possibly have a giveaway, guys. I mean, we are super close on this one, and we're also pretty close on this one here too. So let's go ahead and get ready to crank the wheel here, and let's see what kind of numbers we can get today. Let's go ahead in. Get the 2 numbers now. Let's see what we got. 28 and 30. So 28 and 30. Let's see. Did we get any bingos over here, guys? Number 30's over here. Make that a little bit thicker. Okay, so that one we're really close now. We only need pack 26. Where's pack 28 now, guys? Oh, there's pack 28 there too. Oh, so this one is even closer now as well, guys. This one is even closer now as well. 28 and 30 going off. So now we only need 5 and 26 on this one. So no bingos yet today, guys, but we got to get the packs out still. Let's see what we can pull for today, guys. 28 and 30. Okay, so this is pack 28. This is pack 30. The number just fell off right there. Let's go ahead into pack 28 first, guys. Let's see what we can get. If any of you guys were in my live stream the other night, you guys know that we did open an Evolving Skies booster box for the live stream as well. And I do want to thank everybody that came to that live stream. It was super fun. Had an awesome time. Let's go ahead and say Grass Energy. Hope we got a Water Energy, trying to water the grass today. We got a Boost Shake, Shelgon, got a Lombre, Bag On, got a Woobat, Time Pole, Psyduck scratching the head, we got an Eevee, a Reverse Boldore, and for the rare in the back, a Tropius. Regular rare, guys, or as everybody likes to call him, the Tropius. The Tropius. Because he'd be trolling people in the back. Alright, guys. Let's go ahead and head into pack 30 now. Let's see if we can get anything spicy out of here. Code card for you guys. Or to the front again. Let's go ahead and say Metal Energy. Hope we got Darkness, the good old friend, coming to play. Got a Zwelos. Skiploom Rapid Strike, got a Rayhan, Carvana, Gossifleur, got a Fletchling, Scraggy, Hippopotas, a reverse single strike scroll of the Fang Dragon. That's pretty nice. And then for the rare on the back, a Seismitoad. All right, 2 more dud packs there, guys. Can we get a hit? When will the next hit be, guys? You never know. Make sure you leave a like on the video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.